So I'm going to show you how to use Gboard or the Google keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now, of course, on this tablet, the Samsung keyboard is your default keyboard. But if you want to use Gboard, then the first thing you need to do is go to the Google Play Store. And in the Google Play Store, tap on the search button and search for Gboard. From the results, select Gboard and have it installed. With Gboard installed, you can now go ahead and launch it. And then if it's the first time, of course, you have to make it the default keyboard. So on this page, you want to first of all enable Gboard. Once it's enabled, you can now go to default keyboard and select Gboard as your default keyboard. Simple as that. And now it's going to say it's done. And then now you can go to the next step and tap on done. And that's it. So there's Gboard, there's your Gboard settings. You can customize Gboard exactly the way you want. But from now on, because Gboard is set as your default keyboard, anytime the keyboard comes up, it's going to bring up the Gboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.